Hey friends, if you wish to stop higher internet data usage in Windows, then please watch this video. Well, before this, I should let you know that if you are using your computer on a hotspot, then it makes sense. If you're using it on a Wi-Fi, unless you have a limited Wi-Fi plan, it is of no use these days because most Wi-Fi plans are unlimited. But still, if you want it, then here's how to do it. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the network and internet tab on the list on the left hand side, select the network that you wish to put a cap on, and then select the network here. Okay, so if you scroll down, you'll find something called as a metered connection. You can turn it off and then you can set a data limit. Okay, so you can enter the limit. Let's say that I will say that the data limit is 500 GB. It will stop when 500 GB has been set. Okay, and it resets every month on the first. Okay, and then click on save, and now it has been set, and now it says 480.68 GB is remaining. And if I wish to remove the limit, just click on remove limit. Okay, was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.